Okay, here's video number 2. The LED lights are flickering, and you'll see it kind of happening. I don't know how many frames a second the iPhone does, but you'll see it happening here at the bottom of the sine wave, and again on top of the next peak there. Let's see if I can hold it steady. It's kind of hard to do. I'm really reaching forward here in front of the scope. I can definitely see the LED lights flickering. I could tell by looking at the screen of the iPhone versus looking past it, looking at the scope. The iPhone's not picking up as quick as the scope itself is, but nonetheless, you could see it there. See if I can make that a little bigger. And position knob's a multi-turn knob here. Doesn't seem to really move linearly all the time. Sometimes it just stops. Okay, turn the time base down. Okay, there. Now you can hold this up a little closer. Make a bridge with my thumb here. There. Bleep, bleep, bleep. Bleep, bleep, blip. And so I'm seeing the LED lights here flicker. What in the world could be causing that? That's pretty noticeable here. Sorry to stutter. Everybody's doing other things. I don't know what much else to do. I know it's not the transformer, although some purists may say that, oh, you can't measure that because some of those disturbances or distortion won't carry through the transformer. That's probably true to some degree, none of which you're going to measure. So I'll make a resistor divider network here to tap that down a little bit. Okay, so I think what I might do, I got to rake leaves. I'll come back, I'll isolate the whole house. I'll shut the whole house off and either take this scope, or I have another one, Tektronix 2230 back there I'm trying to get rid of. I'll power it up on an inverter. I have a 600 watt pure sine wave inverter out in the garage. Set that up on a bench with some lights, and maybe I should do it before it gets dark and just pull the main breaker and check it out and see what happens here. So here I am. I can't put the ground here because it'll blow. Actually, I can because I have the scope on isolation transformer, but you got to be careful because the ground ferrule on the input is connected to ground, and I've blown up many scopes that way, just grounding that out. So see, that would have blown the fuse. But I have the isolation transformer on, so I don't know if I can attenuate. I have it on times 10, so let's see if I can get that down there. Yeah, same thing. So I'm gonna change the time base a little bit. Still crappy waveform. Move the light out of the way. So you see a little bit. This time it's on the it's after the peak and the null of the sine wave, so that's kind of interesting. See if I can expand that some more, move that up some. Turn the time base down or up. Move that up some. So clearly something's going on. I don't know what. But every time this happens here, I can see my LEDs flickering. I see dink, dink, dink. And yeah, you have to kind of gaze down. I don't know if I can hold steady. Yeah, if you kind of watch over here, right in here, I can see that. Just kind of soft gaze in here. I can see that light flickering off on a very corner here. Yeah, that's really weird. I can't imagine that's something on the house, so that might be something worth calling Puget Energy over. I don't know. So, okay, we're 5 minutes into this video. Going to call this good. And then we'll reconvene out in the garage.